If you're looking to start an affiliate marketing program and you're a complete beginner, this video should help you understand the basic components of affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement in which the affiliate receives a commission for each visit, sign up, or sale they generate for a merchant. This arrangement allows businesses to outsource parts of their sales process. Wikipedia. At first, affiliate marketing might seem confusing. Affiliate marketing is made up of you, the affiliate, a customer to buy the product or service, a merchant or vendor of the product or service. The customer responds to your advertising or marketing efforts. You send the customer via an affiliate link to the merchant where the customer can purchase the product or service, thus creating a sale. After the sale is complete, the merchant sends you a commission. Here are the basic components of an affiliate marketing business. The first is to find a niche. Oxford Dictionary says a niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service, denoting products, services, or interests that appeal to a small, specialized section of the population. You want to find a product or service that will resonate with the type of clients you want to sell to. Some of the best places to find an affiliate marketing products are Amazon, affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Impact Radius, Commission Junction, and others. Once you have a product or service to sell, your next step is to build an audience. In affiliate marketing, this is called TS or traffic source. Some traffic sources would be paid ads, YouTube channel, affiliate link videos, social media like Facebook, email lists, websites, landing pages, free offers, free trials, capture emails, and blogs. You should have a website. Your website should contain the following: a blog and videos that generate traffic, newsletter, on-site or email, landing pages, free offers such as ebooks, newsletters, free trials. Usually the merchant has a 30-day free offer, and capture emails for email marketing. Fulfillment of orders. Most of the fulfillment of orders, shipping, returns, warranties, etc., are handled by the vendor you are an affiliate of. This is one of the biggest reasons to be an affiliate. Now that you know about the basics of affiliate marketing, how can you become successful in the affiliate business? The biggest key to success in being an affiliate marketer is traffic. You need traffic or prospects in order to get customers. Remember, only a small percentage of the traffic or prospects will end up being customers. Statistically, a good marketing campaign will turn about 2% of your prospects into customers. You might be really lucky at times and get as high as 5%. But remember, I said lucky. Depending on your campaign, you might also get less than 2%. If you want 100 sales from a campaign based on 2% results, you will need about 5,000 prospects. Remember, there's a process into getting customers. How can your marketing campaign generate 5,000 prospects? Let's take a closer look at our traffic source. You can pay for ads on various platforms such as Google, YouTube, etc. You can do videos on YouTube about your product, and you can pay to get emails. Your website might generate prospects via blogs, free offers such as newsletters, and free ebooks. This is the end of our short tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.